Good afternoon, everyone. FinNode project, BOP and Digital Society in India is linked with the previous projects that FinPro and TechIS have jointly carried out. So you have the Village Communications project in 2009 and last year's Rural Health project as a background. This particular project focuses on understanding two signals at the same time. So you have base of the pyramid and digital society, with the objective of understanding business implications for Finnish companies. The BOP segment in India is important to understand not only because of the largely untapped 70% rural population, but also because of the rise in consumerism due to improving infrastructure and connectivity, rising income levels, and also because of immense interest on the part of government and stakeholders towards inclusive digital growth of the Indian economy. The objective of the FinNode project is to learn how Finnish companies can adapt to local requirements and provide ICT-based solutions to gaps in information needs of the BOP segment, especially in the areas of agriculture, healthcare, education, banking, besides entertainment. The focus is on developing sustainable business models and actively involving Finnish companies in digitizing and monetizing rural India. We are currently in the process of signing up Finnish companies for a roadshow that will take place over the next few months. And as part of this roadshow, Finnish companies will interact with Indian stakeholders and discuss partnership possibilities with the objective of active participation in rural ICT projects in India. Thank you.